Hi, I'm Kihan from Rise Above. You might know us as your premier drone supplier, but what you might not know is that we specialise in making tailored solutions for our clients' unique needs. We can provide custom solutions for any industry, ranging from agriculture, emergency services, inspection, education and scientific research, not to mention our high-end cinematographer range. When a client comes to us with a unique application or a unique sensor, we take time to sit down with them and figure out exactly what they want to achieve and how they want to achieve it. From there, we take this brief to our team of specialised technicians in order to brainstorm the best solution for their unique use case. Once we have defined the best possible solution for our client's unique use case, we'll go back to them with the project outline. From here, once they're happy to progress, we'll generate a proof of concept and a finalised design for this. With this finalised design, we're then able to use our state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing facility to produce carbon fibre components as well as 3D printed parts. These in-house capabilities allow us to rapidly prototype and ensure that the customer gets exactly what they want. The final step in the process is to integrate our payload into our client's specified airframe. This allows us to vigorously field test the payload and ensure the highest level of customer satisfaction. If you're looking to develop a unique solution for your drone, or even if you need help buying a drone, why not reach out to us at sales@riseabove.com.au or call us on 02 46 47 3450. Thank you.